Yo, what's good, YouTube? That's your boy Nicholas, and in today's video, I'll show you something cool on FS Studio Mobile. So, as you can see right now, I am on my files right now. I am on my files where I got like everything: download images, videos, audios, documents, and apps. So in this video, I want to show you how to import files into FS Studio Mobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. And so I posted this on the community channel, and I said, should I make a video on how to import an Office Studio Mobile? So I thought maybe it's very important because not everybody knows, how to import files like drum kits, some loops, everything, like project MP3s, WAV files, FMLs, zip files, not pictures. Of course, you can import pictures into FS Studio Mobile. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing, as you can see, I got like I'm inside my files, like where I can get everything I want, like all the samples, loops, and everything, all my beats that I saved on FS Studio Mobile, everything. So now I just wanna like take any random file, and then after that copy it inside FS Studio Mobile and show you how simple it is. So now I'll just take any beat which I feel like I can import. Actually, I'm showing you how to import into FS Studio Mobile. So I'll just take anything that I see. Let me just search this beat which I love. So I'll be importing this beat to FS Studio Mobile. And I know that maybe you already know how to export, because exporting is like saving your MP3s if you're done making a beat and all that. So let me play this beat, just short clip, and then I will go to FS Studio Mobile and try to import it, and we'll see what's up. On this beat, yeah. So as you can see, okay, I got this file, this MP3, and I'm trying to import it to FS Studio Mobile. So there are two ways. The first way is to click here on this options button, and then you will see FS Studio Mobile pop out here. Or you can try it the other way, which I'm gonna show you after this one. So if this way is not working, because you can see that there is no FS Studio Mobile here, I got all my apps here. I got like WhatsApp contacts and all that, but I don't see FS Studio Mobile here. So which means we'll try the other way. The other way is to go to FS Studio Mobile straight. Let's go to FS Studio Mobile straight. Open FS Studio Mobile, okay, and then after that, you will like start a new project if you're starting a new project and stuff. And then you will click here at the top right corner, import. Right, we are importing to FS Studio Mobile. Somebody commented and say on my community post that it is simple. Everybody, not like, even if it's simple, not everybody can do it. So I can import anything, even MP4s, but I guess MP4, I have to make sure that I convert it from MP4 to MP3, because it won't allow to import MP4. MP4 is like a video or a movie, you understand? So you go to audio, and then when you go to audio, you can import any file, any audio. It will open in FS Studio Mobile. So already I played that beat. Let me try to import that beat which I was playing. Let me search it here. So it has to pop out. Yeah, it's here. You can see the beat is here, right? And now I want to import it. So before I can import it, let me play it. no, okay, imported one file. You saw it, right? You saw it. So now it's imported, but you don't know where it is. So you just have to click here on this and then click the audio clip and then go to my files and then go to my samples, and then here it is. So that's just the way it is, man. It's so simple, you know. This is how you import into FS Studio Mobile, and I believe that you also know how to export, which means saving this beat. Like if you are done making beat, you can save MP3, you can save OGG, you can save FLAC files, you can save WAV files, you can save MIDIs, you can save zip files, you can save FML if you want to send your project to other people, you know. But this is how to import, you know, so simple and straightforward. And what else? Yeah, I wanted to show you this video because I feel like not all of us knows how to import on FS Studio Mobile. So currently we're on version 4.8.10G. The FS Studio Mobile is growing, and we're waiting for new updates, of course. And yeah, man, so more tutorials, I got them. I'm still cooking, you know, still cooking more tutorials. I'm still cooking more new beats and all that. So before I can leave, let me just play one of these projects I'm still working on. Where is that beat? Like, let me play this one. um if you got any idea on like any type of tutorial you want to see on the channel, make sure you make sure you comment down below and tell me what you want to see. And yeah, join my Telegram. The link is on description. You can follow me in all social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok. The link is on description. New members, you know what to do, man. Let's subscribe, comment, like, and share. All members, I'm still like designing loops and all that, so I'll be sharing new loops with you guys. So yeah, there is this beat I'm still working on, but I need to master it and mix it and change some sound and make it sound really dope, you know. So you'll tell me what you think about this beat in the comment section. Let me play it for you right now. We're gonna start this beat, yeah. So it's like a guitar type beat stuff, you know. But anyways, tell me what you think about the beat. And yeah, let me play you this another one. Yeah, I'm still working on it, trying to perfect the sound and all that. So yeah, man, yeah. So there is this sound which I feel like doesn't not have to belong on this beat, and I added it, but like I turned it off, you know. It's muted right now, but let me play it for you, and then you will tell me why I don't want. you will tell me why I shouldn't use it on this beat in the comment section. You understand? To me, it's not sounding good. Even the delay is just too much on the sound. But maybe I should just change it, you know, the way it's sounding, and do it in a different way. I don't know, maybe, but the delay is just not good. Yeah, you can check it here and decrease it a little bit. Yeah. It's not good. Doo-doo-doo-doo. It's not sounding good, you know. Something nice, man. Or maybe I should change the sound completely, because this wobble GMS lead synthesizer, what is not working. Let me try a new sound. Yeah. And maybe this one, you know. No, it's not working, you know. Let's try something else. Maybe the lead is not sounding good. Let's try a pad. Let's try a synthesizer. Yeah, something like this, you know. Maybe we should decrease the volume. To be honest, I feel like this sound is better, you know, compared to the previous one. And I feel like this is too much, you know. Maybe I should cut it a little bit. The noise, come on. There is something I realized here, is that I'm not done with mixing and mastering this one, you know. I'm still working on it. I'm taking my time, you know. I'm not in a hurry, so I need more time to mix and master, perfect the sound, you know. So yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. I'm still cooking more beats. You guys should stop using downloaded beats. Stop like using download beats, man, you know. So if you need beats, just make sure you comment or go to my WhatsApp, email. Everything is on description down below, so let's connect. I'm out. I'll see you on another video.